Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use bubble dyeing. This exciting technique allows you to create truly unique and abstract patterns on various fabrics. It's a wonderfully creative and engaging process that transforms ordinary textiles into personalized works of art. We'll cover everything from gathering your simple materials to achieving stunning, one-of-a-kind designs. Get ready to add a playful and artistic touch to your next crafting project with this simple yet effective method. Before we begin the fun, let's gather our essential supplies. You'll need fabric dye, a good quality bubble solution, and a bubble wand or straw for blowing. For the best color vibrancy, select light-colored fabrics made from natural fibers like cotton or linen. Remember to protect your work surface with a drop cloth or old newspapers, as this can get a little messy. Having everything ready ensures a smooth and enjoyable dyeing experience. Now for the exciting part, the dyeing process itself. First, mix your chosen fabric dyes into separate small bowls of bubble solution. Aim for about 1 part dye to 4 parts bubble solution for good color. Dip your bubble wand into a colored solution and gently blow the bubbles directly onto your prepared fabric. Experiment with different colors and bubble sizes to create diverse patterns. Once satisfied, let the fabric air dry completely for at least 24 hours to ensure the dye sets properly. To achieve the most vibrant and long-lasting results, consider a few key tips. After drying, use a fabric fixative or heat set your item according to the dye manufacturer's instructions. This helps lock in the color and prevents fading. Don't be afraid to experiment with various bubble wand sizes and blowing distances to create unique effects. For the initial washes, always launder your bubble-dyed items separately in cold water to avoid any color bleeding onto other garments. Enjoy your beautiful custom creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.